All right, we're going to kick off our day at Santa Monica Baseball Academy. Bird's going to show us the proper technique for swinging a bat. Who was your coach?
Evan.
Coach Evan. Coach Swift was your coach. All right. So, folks, game or no game, he's swinging the bat the proper way. Ooh, he got game. Let me see it one more time. Game. Oh, they call him game. They called you game. All right, game. Hold on. I got a baseball card for him. You get to pick a baseball card, any card to do. Or gum. He can do gum. Which one? Pick a card, any card. Oh, he's sifting through it. He's looking for somebody good. Grab a card, man. We're waiting on you.
Just take the bubble gum. You gotta get the best card.
I'm looking for the best.
He's looking for the best card.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah? Who'd you get?
Mikey Strumsky.
All right, good job. All right, game or no game.